The great white finally blew! And I got it on video! Smiling, dude. Just blew up his car.
It's good now.
It's tune related. Ketamine blew it. I actually just quit my job for YouTube 2 days ago. And now this happens. Hey!
Oh my god.
What's going on, bro?
What it do?
What's up, bro?
Hey,
Perros.
hey. Bro. Hey.
I've been riding dirty like this bro. I've been riding around with so much meth in the truck, bro. That's at least, that's 2 gallons of fucking liquid meth.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Well, guys, I blew my motor. The great white finally blew! And I got it on video!
Whoa!
It blew.
It blew.
It blew. Yeah, yeah.
Let's go over here.
He's smiling, dude. He just blew up his car. Guys, I was gonna swap it anyway. I was kidding.
At least you blew it up racing my girl.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What the fuck? I'm
this one? This one right here.
The white one.
Okay, so right now what's going on is that the tow truck is apparently on his lunch, so he can't tow me, and basically he's saying if they're gonna send out another driver, they're gonna charge me like twice as much. But to be honest, I kind of just want to get off the freeway. I'll keep you guys updated right now. Right now I'm just trying to get my car towed, and it's apparently a big issue.
He's just gonna flex. It's good now.
No, you straight.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. I told you. That's it. That's been fucked up anyway.
Yeah. Any of you guys drive a Z? You guys want some parts? There goes my Z! Oh my god, I can't believe I blew it. So, as you guys just saw in that video, I just blew my motor. We were doing a cruise. I just wanted to hang out with the boys and, you know, just go out and drive. And so we were doing a run, and then next thing you know, I lose all power. So I'm like, at the time I was fully pressing the throttle, right? And out of nowhere I just noticed that I started losing power, and then eventually there was no power, and I thought I was low on gas or I ran out of gas. So I'm like, oh, like I just ran out of gas probably, I'm just gonna pull over. But I looked behind me through like my rear view mirrors, and then I saw a whole bunch of white smoke literally coming out of the car, and I'm like, that's it, I blew my motor. I knew instantly when I saw that amount of white smoke that I had blew it, because it was like a lot of smoke, like a really big fire, and I knew I blew it. I pulled over to the right, and everyone around me knew I blew it, so they all pulled over with me. And yeah, so the reason I think my motor blew was because my hood latch was locked, and like the cable had broken off, and the only way we're able to open the hood is through the grill, but I wasn't able to find the latch to open it, so I couldn't really check the oil or anything. And I think that's probably why I blew it, because I hadn't checked the oil, and it was probably low from like all the nitrous runs I was doing the week prior in LA. And I think because of me not checking the oil, it was probably, you know, very low on oil, and I was driving it like crazy, and I think that's why it blew. I wasn't using nitrous, it was all NA, like there was no nitrous being used that week at all, and there wasn't a misfire. I do not think it was tune related, because I know a lot of, oh, admin blew it, admin blows cars, blah blah blah. It had nothing to do with the tune. The car was doing perfectly fine until I'm pretty sure that I did not put oil in the car, and it didn't have the right amount of oil, so I think that's why it blew. I think that's my fault. I do not blame the tuner. I honestly don't blame the car. I only blame myself, and it is what it is. So now that it's blown, I do want to, you know, step up to the next platform. I kind of want to try something new. I'm kind of stuck between an LS swap. I was doing some research on the LS swap, and it's just super expensive, and I don't think I'm going to be able to afford it, to be honest. So I was able to find another VHR motor for a really low price with really low miles, and I'm honestly thinking about giving away my nitrous kit or raffling it and starting on a turbo build. I've always wanted to turbo this car, and I really just want to start on a turbo build because it's something I've been wanting to do for so long. I mean, I know the car's gonna be slow for a little bit. Honestly, I'll probably be just NA and like no sort of boost for about a good 8 to 9 months, but I kind of really want to just get started on the turbo build. It's something I've always wanted to do, and I want to go ahead and step up my game. Mine's all over the place. I actually just quit my job for YouTube 2 days ago, and now this happens, and yeah, so it's all good, but like everything happens for a reason. I'm not really too worried about it right now, but I'm just trying to find out what to do. If you guys watch this late in the video, make sure you guys hit the like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and leave an RIP in the comment section. The Great White is down finally. I literally abused that motor, so go ahead and leave a comment, say RIP Great White, and enjoy the rest of this video. We're getting ready to go do some runs right now. It's gonna be the Z06 Corvette and Evo over there.
front charger.
Yeah, this shit's off.
That shit's still spinning. Look at that
I didn't
shit.
see anything come off on the freeway.
Nah, that shit slapped to the bottom. I can see my ace.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it.